Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to back up your contacts on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. What I want to do is open your settings page. After open your settings account, I want you to click on your Apple ID like this. After you click it, it'll lead you to this page, and I want you to click on iCloud. As you can see, there is 5 GB in my iPhone. Then you can see all the things that there is in your iCloud, like photos, mail, your drive, your password, and keychains. Click on show all, then click on your contacts. Make sure that it is on. If you want to turn off and turn it on, it doesn't matter, but be sure to keep it on your phone as well, as if you don't do that, then your contacts will be deleted from your phone. Next, what you want to do is go back to your iCloud page and then scroll a bit down and click on iPhone backup, and you can click on backup now in order to back up your contacts at this very instance. So this is how you back up your contacts on your iPhone using iCloud. This can be done when your iCloud is not full, so make sure your iCloud is not full. I hope this video was very helpful. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, leave it on the dot box below. It's me Elise signing off. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.